You don't need a million followers to make $1 million online. You also don't need fancy ads or even a website. I'm about to show you how to start a print-on-demand business that costs nothing upfront, doesn't need any followers, and lets you tap into millions of ready-to-buy customers. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a methodical, step-by-step process that anyone can follow, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from having no experience to making your first sale. What is print-on-demand? First, let's talk about what print-on-demand actually is and why it's such a great option, especially if you're just starting out. In a traditional business, you'd have to spend a lot of money upfront buying inventory, storing it, and shipping it to customers. But print-on-demand flips this model completely. You don't need to buy anything in advance, and you don't handle any shipping. Instead, you create a design, like a slogan or graphic for a t-shirt, and upload it to a platform like Amazon, Redbubble, or TeePublic. When someone buys your product, the platform prints it, ships it, and handles customer service. You just collect a percentage of the sale, that's it. No inventory, no packaging, no stress. Now, a lot of people assume you need a big audience to make print-on-demand work, and yes, having a following does help if you're driving traffic to your own store. But the beauty of print-on-demand marketplaces is that they already have millions of customers shopping for unique designs. These platforms do the marketing for you by featuring your products in search results. Your job is simply to create designs that people want to buy and upload them where those people are already shopping. It's like setting up a booth at a busy market instead of trying to build a mall from scratch. But let's slow down and really think this through. How do you go from having no experience to creating something that people will actually buy? Step 1, pick a niche. This is where many people get stuck, thinking they need to be artists or have some sort of groundbreaking concept. You don't. In fact, the most popular print-on-demand designs are often the simplest ones. Funny quotes, relatable phrases, or minimalist graphics. The key is to find a niche, something specific that people are passionate about. Why? Because people love buying things that reflect their identity. A hiking fan is more likely to buy a t-shirt that says "Trail Junkie" than one that just says "I love nature." To start brainstorming, I recommend using ChatGPT, which is a free AI tool that can help you generate ideas. Let's say you don't know where to begin. You could ask ChatGPT to list 50 popular hobbies, and it might give you options like cooking, gaming, or hiking. Then you can dig deeper into one of those. For example, if you pick hiking, you can ask for specific types of hiking, like mountain hiking, desert hiking, or even specific locations like Alaska hiking. The goal is to get as specific as possible because the more specific your niche, the less competition you'll face. A generic hiking shirt might get lost in a sea of other designs, but a shirt for Alaska hiking has a better chance of standing out. Step 2. Validate your niche. Once you have a niche in mind, the next step is to check whether it's worth pursuing. Not all niches are equal. Some are so oversaturated that even the best designs won't get noticed. This is where a tool like Merch Informer becomes incredibly useful. Merch Informer is designed specifically for print-on-demand sellers and helps you research how competitive a niche is. It gives each niche a letter grade based on demand and competition. An A-grade niche has low competition and high potential, while an F-grade niche is oversaturated and not worth your time. Let's say you search for hiking and it gets an F. That doesn't mean you should give up on hiking. It just means you need to narrow it down. You could use Merch Informer's keyword finder to break hiking into smaller sub-niches like Appalachian trail hiking or Alaska hiking. These might have less competition and a better chance of success. Step 3, come up with design ideas. ChatGPT can help again here. Let's go back to our Alaska hiking example. You could ask ChatGPT for 50 slogans or phrases related to Alaska and hiking, and these are the phrases that it will suggest. These kinds of phrases are simple, memorable, and speak directly to your niche audience. At this stage, I recommend coming up with 20 to 40 different phrases or variations. Why so many? Because print on demand is a numbers game. The more designs you upload, the more chances you have to make sales. Think of it like fishing. The more lines you cast, the more fish you're likely to catch. Before you start designing, there's one key step you can't skip: checking for trademarks. Just because a phrase seems simple doesn't mean it's free to use. Many common slogans and phrases are trademarked, and using them without permission could get you into legal trouble. Merch Informer has a trademark alerts tool that makes this process easy. You can input your phrases, and it will tell you whether they're trademarked. A green check mark means you're good to go. A red X means you need to pick something else. This step might feel tedious, but it's essential. The last thing you want is to invest time in a design only to have it taken down, or worse, face legal action. Step 4, create your designs. This is where a tool like Place. It comes in handy. This is a beginner-friendly platform with thousands of templates specifically for print-on-demand products. The best part is that everything on Placeit, fonts, graphics, layouts, is copyright-free and commercially usable. That means you can design with confidence, knowing your work won't get flagged for copyright violations. You can choose a template that fits your niche, add your phrase, tweak the colors, and adjust the layout. If you're designing t-shirts, make sure to remove the background so it uploads correctly. Simple, clean designs usually sell best, so don't overcomplicate it. Step 5, upload your designs. With your designs ready, the next step is uploading them to print-on-demand platforms. If you're starting from scratch, I recommend platforms like TeePublic. It's easy to use and you don't need to apply for approval. After signing up, you'll set up your storefront. Choose a name that reflects your niche, something simple and memorable. When you upload a design, you'll be prompted to add a title, description, and tags. This is where keywords come into play. Use words that your audience might type into the search bar, like Alaska hiking shirt or wilderness t-shirt. Keywords help your products get discovered, so think carefully about what your potential customers are searching for. TeePublic also lets you select which products your design will appear on. While you can add your design to mugs, stickers, and tote bags, t-shirts are usually the top sellers. Make sure your design looks good on a variety of colors, especially black, which tends to be the most popular. Adjust the placement and size of your design if needed, and double-check that everything looks professional. Once your design is uploaded, TeePublic handles the rest. They market your products, process orders, and handle customer service. You just sit back and collect your share of the profits. Step 6, keep going. Don't stop at one design. The key to success in print-on-demand is consistency. Keep researching new niches, creating designs, and uploading regularly. The more products you have, the more chances you have to make sales. Many marketplaces also reward active sellers by giving them more visibility. It's a snowball effect. The more you upload, the more sales you make, and the more the platform promotes your work. At this point, you're officially a print-on-demand seller, and you did it all without a single follower. This method works because you're leveraging the traffic that these marketplaces already have. They want you to succeed because they make money when you make money. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep uploading. What do you think about print on demand? Have you tried this business model before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.